Buying your first home in Florida can feel overwhelming. The money, the paperwork, the fear of doing it wrong. It doesn't have to be. There's a clear path from where you are right now to keys in your hand, and I'm going to walk you through every step. Let's get you home. First, let's kill the biggest myth. You do not need 20% down. Plenty of first-time buyers put down 3 to 3.5%, and Florida has assistance programs that can cover much of that. As a licensed loan originator and your agent, I can line up the financing and the help in one shot. Here's the whole journey on one screen. Get pre-approved so you know your budget. Find your home with an agent in your corner. Make a smart offer. Get it inspected and appraised. Then close. And the keys are yours. 5 phases, and I'm with you through every one of them. Step 1 is pre-approval, and it changes everything. It tells you exactly what you can afford. It shows sellers you're serious, and it's where we find the programs you qualify for. Because I'm also a licensed mortgage originator, that's one conversation with me, not a runaround between 2 different companies. Here's what trips up first timers. The down payment isn't the only cash you need. Budget for closing costs, which run a few percent of the price. Plan for Florida homeowners insurance and property taxes inside your monthly payment. And keep a cushion for moving and the little surprises every home brings. And the number one mistake first time buyers make, falling in love with a home before they're pre approved. You tour the perfect place, you're ready to offer, and now you're scrambling on financing while someone else locks it up. Get pre approved first, then shop with total confidence. You can do this, and you don't have to do it alone. I'll get you pre approved, find the assistance you qualify for, and guide you all the way to closing. Start your roadmap at maxliferealty.com/first-time-home-buyer, or just call or text me at 321-373-3536.